Hello kids, we are learning about the great people. So in today's class, let us meet Mother Teresa. So Agnes Goncia Bojancio was born in 1910. So she became a nun when she was only 12 years old and was given the name Teresa. So Mother Teresa was born in 1910. Her name was Agnes Goncia Bojancio. So after she became a nun, she was called as Teresa. At the early age of 12, she became a nun. What do I mean by nun? Nun means it is a member of a female religious group living in convent. So nun means what? A member of female religious group living in convent. At the age of 12, she became a nun and she was called as Teresa and she was given the name Teresa. Before that, she was called Agnes Goncia Bojancio. At the age of 18, she was sent to India to teach at the convent in Kolkata. So, at the age of 18, she was sent by the convent to the India to teach convent in Kolkata. So after she became a nun, at the age of 18, she was sent to India to teach in Kolkata convent. One day she felt that God was telling her to work for the poorest people of the city. One day she felt that the God sent her to work for the poor people in the city. Then she left the convent and moved into the slums of Kolkata. So when she was sent to teach in convent in Kolkata, she felt that God was created her to work for the poorest people of the city. Then she left the convent in Kolkata and moved to the slums of Kolkata. Then she started to look after the poor and needy children. Then she started to work for the needy and poor people in the slums of Kolkata. So Agnes Goncia Bojancio was born in 1910. Then she became a nun when she was only 12 years old and she was given the name Teresa. At the age of 18, she was sent to India to teach at a convent in Kolkata. So she left the convent and moved into the slums of Kolkata to work for the slum people of Kolkata. Then there she looked after the poor and needy children. So in 1950, she and people working with her set up a new order called Missionary of Charity. So in 1960, Mother Teresa and people who was working with her set up a new organization. It is called Missionary of Charity. So in that they took a service for the people. So they served for the poor people. And Mother Teresa believed that serving the poor people means serving the Christ himself. So, according to Mother Teresa, serving the poor people means serving the God. So, after over a year, a missionary of charity, this organization opened many schools, orphanages. Orphanages means home for orphans. So orphan means a child who has lost both the parents. So they opened orphanages. So orphanages means what? Orphanages means it is a home for orphans. So a home for the children, those who have lost their parents. So home for lepers and home for dying poor in India and other countries. So home for lepers. So this missionary of charities opened home for lepers. Lepers means those who are suffering from leprosy. Leprosy means it is a contagious diseases. So those who were suffering from these diseases, they built a home for this leprosy people and home for dying poor people in India and other countries. And they built a home for dying poor people. Those who don't have a homes for the poor people, they built a home for these poor people. Not only in India, in other countries also. So, for this selfless service of Mother Teresa, she received many awards. So, among them are Bharat Ratna from Indian government. So, Indian government gave a Bharat Ratna award to Mother Teresa for selfless service, and Magsaysay award from and a Nobel Peace Prize. So, Mother Teresa received many awards. So, among them are Bharat Ratna from the Indian government and the Nobel Peace Prize. After serving for the people, she died in the year 1997. So, but she will live forever in the memory of people, especially by the poor.